Let me demonstrate the value and use cases of Plumbr by logging into our own account that we use to monitor Plumbr itself. After logging in, we will get a quick overview of our application's performance in the selected time frame. As you can see, the application mostly behaved well last week, except for a small time period on September 26. Let me show you now how we used Plumbr to detect that performance problem. Let's zoom into September 26. We can see that some user transactions were affected at around 12 p.m. that day. Usually, when I see stats like these, my first two questions are which parts of my application did not perform and were the errors random or caused by a single root cause. The answer to the latter question actually stares us right back in the eye. When you take a look at the root causes list, you can see that there was one specific database query that impacted end users a lot more than others. However, to be sure that we have a clear understanding of the situation, let's have a look at how the different services behaved for our end users. Again, there is one service that stands out. Out of 1,531 total user transactions, only 0.2% were completed below our SLA threshold. The others were too slow. Let's click on the service to see what affected its performance. It seems that there was exactly one root cause, a database query, that caused all these slow transactions. Let me click on that root cause to see more. First time displayed the different services that this root cause affected. In our case, Plumbr confirms that the query only affected this one service that we already zoomed into, causing slow response times in 1,500 times during the day. The juiciest part is displayed when I click on this tab. Plumbr tells us the exact root cause. We can see the query that caused problems and also see where in Java source code we fired the query. And our engineers could immediately start fixing the query and did not have to spend time on validating hypotheses on what could have caused the problems. This concludes our demo. Plumbr shows you what in your application impacts end users the most and allows you to immediately zoom into the underlying root cause.